You search for how to buy shares of Presight AI Holding PLC, so here's a quick educational walkthrough. Presight AI is a technology firm focused on industrial AI and geospatial analytics, listed on the ADX under the ticker PRESIGHT.DH. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to make purchases. Open the platform search and type the ticker PRESIGHT.DH to find the correct listing. Confirm the listing shows Presight AI Holding PLC and that it trades on ADX before proceeding. On the asset page, you'll see a brief company description and the price chart for PRESIGHT.DH. Double-check the company name, market ADX and ticker to ensure this is the right stock. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may become pending until it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order is completed. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.